Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool TP6A military rotary desk telephone, and this is Lorraine's equipment from Washington, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. And we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done. Lorraine's got a note here. Now she wants to have a line cord installed, and she wants to be able to plug it into any modern jack. So we're going to go ahead and replace the line cord, and that will have a modular plug on the end of it. We also want to troubleshoot the handset cord, the transmit, the receive. We want to go through the rotary. We want to make sure that that is cleaned, oiled, and adjusted. We want to troubleshoot our hook switch, our network, our wiring, our bell, and bell circuit. So we're going to go through the entire telephone while it is in the shop. And this is a really cool military telephone. And we want to go ahead and do some still pictures of this really cool telephone. So we'll show you that. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this really cool telephone, so we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of this really cool TP6A military rotary desk telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to run through a little bit about what went on. We troubleshooted our handset cord, our transmit, receive. We cleaned, oiled, and adjusted our rotary. We have a nice smooth return on that rotary now. We also went through all of the wiring, made sure all the connections were clean and all of the connections were tight. We also did that in the handset for the transmit and receive. And we installed a modular line cord with a modern plug on it so that Lorraine can plug into any modern day jack. And we did about 6 foot. Lorraine taped up the bells on this telephone because it had too loud of a ring. But what you do here is the mechanical noise of the solenoids rocking back and forth the clapper. So it does have a mechanical sound when it rings, and you'll be able to hear that on the final checkout when we ring this telephone. We also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so you can hear the audio from a receiver. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And we're going to go ahead and press the button on the amplifier. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it. Press it one more time. It is pretty quiet today. So we're going to go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle, and you hear the mechanical noise from the solenoids and actually not the bells at all, we have transmit and receive, and we're dialing out. We can go ahead and push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can call that number.
Today is Tuesday, July 25th. The current time, 10:48 p.m. and the temperature, 81 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can give you some dial tone. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. We'll make that call. We can go ahead and hang up our handset. Now that we know that this really cool TP6A military rotary desk telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Lorraine and she can enjoy this telephone once again. It's in an Art Deco design, and I'm sure this telephone is going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.